Horses out, we have Mondestar, pass to begin, moving up on the outside, Petros Blanca, then followed by Turn Me Loose in the middle, Mondestar, and on the outside is Turn Me Loose, racing in third, Petrus Blanc, Mode Creme, then followed over by Siba Sib, Waitara Express, and Kiss Me Gently, Mondestar by Oralenka. And in second is Turn Me Loose. Petrus Blanc is racing in third. Boda Creme is down in fourth. Siba Siba. Waitara Express and Kiss Me Gently. Mondestar by only ahead. Moving up Arias. And now is Turn Me Loose. Turn Me Loose takes the lead. Running by the release Mondestar. Petrus Blanc is racing in third. And followed by Waitara Express. Boda Creme, Siba Sib, and Kiss Me Gently. Turn Me Loose now by about 3 lengths. And in second still is Mondestar, Petrus Blanc, Waitara Express, 5A joining them. But Turn Me Loose now strides away by about 4 lengths. Petrus Blanc moving up, Waitara Express. Last 150. We have Turn Me Loose by about 6 lengths now. Petrus Blanc in second and Waitara Express. And nearing the finish line, we have Turn Me Loose. Second, Petrus Blanc, Waitara Express. Kiss Me Gently, Boda Creme.